you cannot attack something you don't understand. I'm always excited to start a pen test on a technology I don't know because I get to learn something new. It's like when you see babies trying things out, what happens if you click here and what happens if you do this. This really requires creativity and precision. Another aspect is like, it's not because we imagine an attack that it will work. Sometimes, you have these great ideas, oh, I'm going to do this and it's going to work and it's going to be, really efficient. But you do acquire crafting with practice and with trials and errors. The more we work on our crafting, the more it gets precise and clear. So this is really why it's important to be creative and to have critical thinking, because the context is really important, and it's also important to understand how a vulnerability can impact a specific business. Like some vulnerabilities won't impact different businesses the same.